The biggest problem we all face while learning English is that we don't have any partner to practice with. Like, we want to speak English fluently, but there is no one to talk to. And because of that, we feel shy, nervous, and stuck. And expensive English classes and courses are not possible for everyone, right? But what if I tell you that today I will show you a free AI tool that can be your speaking partner, personal mentor, and confident coach anytime? So, hello everyone, I am Sathi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to improve your English speaking, listening, reading, grammar, and confidence completely free. This method is simple, powerful, perfect for beginners, students, and anyone who want to speak English fluently in 2026. So, watch the video till the end because the prompt I will share can completely change your English journey. Step 1. Use ChatGPT, your personal mentor. Okay, so at first, open ChatGPT. Okay, then type this powerful prompt. Okay, so for the next 30 days, act as my personal English speaking mentor. My name is Sathi and I want to become fluent in English. Correct my grammar mistakes politely, explain my mistake in simple words, teach me unnatural daily life sentences, improve my vocabulary, and motivate me to speak more every day. Once you send this prompt, ChatGPT start guiding you like your personal mentor. Okay. Step 2. Practice real life English conversation daily. Okay. So now type the second powerful prompt. Okay. So the prompt is, I will reply in English even if my English is not perfect. Please correct every mistake kindly. Give me a better natural version and start a friendly daily conversation with me like a real person. Now ChatGPT will begin a real conversation with you. And this is the fastest way to improve spoken English at home. Step 3. Improve listening skill first. Okay, so after ChatGPT replies, press this read aloud mode. This, okay, so
that's a great plan. I'm in. I'll talk with you like a real conversation partner and I'll gently correct your English every time. Here's how I'll help you. First, I'll correct your sentence. Then I'll give a more natural version. Then we'll continue the conversation. Let's start simple. My question for you.
Listen carefully to every sentence. This will help you to improve listening skill, pronunciation, and natural English understanding. Step 4. Use voice mode for speaking practice. Okay, so use ChatGPT's voice mode and say this prompt. Okay, so talk with me in English and help me improve my spoken English, correct my mistake instantly, and encourage me to answer confidently.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's start a conversation. Tell me about your favorite hobby.
Okay. Now ChatGPT will talk with you like a real person, and this is perfect if you feel shy speaking in front of people, because the more you speak, the more fluent you become. Step 6. Test your English like a pro. Okay, so use this prompt. The prompt is, test my English speaking skill. Give me a real life situation like interviews, shopping, travel, or meeting new people. Ask me to respond naturally, then tell me my mistake, pronunciation issue, and what should I improve next. Okay? These improve your English speaking skills. Final advice. Practice 15 minutes daily with ChatGPT. Okay, with a few weeks, you will notice a big difference in your English. So, if you really want to speak English fluently in 2026, so start using ChatGPT from today. I will give you all the prompt in the description and pinned comment. So check them out, and if the video helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.